electric ukulele lessons. We're at jam level, so you've heard the clip. Now I'll show you the isolated track. And if you're a beginner, you might go back to the earlier episodes where I go slower. Why an electric uke? Why not play guitar like a normal person? Well, the gear costs are lower, it's generally easier than guitar, and it's something different. The downside is that you only have 4 strings, and so you have to be content with close enough sometimes. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke with a compressor, octave pedal, and Zoom G3XN effects. I'll give you the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. Tune your uke, and let's play.